Titiro, look, here comes Tamanui te rā. Morena, Mr. Sun. Morena, Pāpā Rākau. Kia ora, my name is Kōkā. Here in the forest with me live 5 Patupaiarehe. Let's meet them. Time to wake up, Tākaro Tribe. Kia ora, Tākaro Tribe.
Kia ora, Kōkā! What was that loud noise?
That was thunder. An āwha storm is coming.
What's an āwha storm?
An āwha is very bad weather with heavy rain, strong winds, and often thunder and lightning.
Oh, that sounds scary.
Waia, wow, wow, wow! Tēnā koutou, Tākaro Tribe.
Wow, wow!
I have a warning. There's a āwha storm coming. We must tell our friends.
Oh, how can our friends be warned?
Maybe Pāpā Rākau can help you.
Right idea. Let's go see Pāpā Rākau.
Amariki mā, noho mai ki aku kakiaka, whakarongo mai ki ngā kōrero o te ao marama. Aue.
Ah, Tākaro Tribe, you've arrived.
Kia ora, Pāpā Rākau.
What's the problem, Tākaro Tribe?
There's a big āwha storm coming, Pāpā Rākau. We have to warn our friends.
That's not good. You can make mātarere, leaflets, to send to all the kararehe, animals in the forest.
What's that?
Mātarere, leaflet, is a small leaf of paper that has information on it.
Wow!
Oh! Here are some leaves for you to use.
Thank you, Pāpā Rākau.
Well done, Tākaro Tribe. While you're writing your message, let's see how the kids are going with their mātarere, leaflets. Good job, Tākaro Tribe. Collect all the mātarere, leaflets, and drop them all off to your friends.
But how will we deliver them?
Pooh will take you.
Yay!
Ooh! Whoa!
Watch out! Out of the way!
Whoa! Sorry, my friends. The wind was a bit too strong. All aboard Tākaro Tribe.
Karakia first, Pooh. Angi hauraro mātai hei mai. Puritia auta atai. Tēnā te pau o tangaroa. Kare ki moana nui ki moana roa. Te papa nui o tangaroa.
All right. You're going to Tātahi, the beach first, then the maunga, mountain, and finish at the ngahere, forest. Some of our friends are there to help.
Hei koneira, Pāpā Rākau. Oh, it's really windy. The Arthur, storm's coming. Look!
We need to hurry before it rains. I can't fly in the rain.
We must fly to Tātahi, the beach first. We need to warn Pāpakai about the Arthur storm. Our friends are over there.
Kia ora, Tākaro Tribe.
Stay safe!
We've made it to the Maunga, the mountain range.
Here you go, everyone. Read the Mātarere leaflet.
Thank you, Tākaro Tribe.
The storm's nearly here. We must hurry. Here you go, everyone.
Great job, Tākaro Tribe. Let's head back before the Arthur storm arrives.
Let's celebrate with a waiata.
Kia ora, Tākaro Tribe.
Kia ora, Kōkā.
I hear you learnt a new word today.
Yes, Kōkā. We learnt the word Mātarere, leaflet.
Mātarere. Let's spell this kupu ho. fantastic, Tākaro Tribe. I hear Pāpā Rākau calling you.
See ya, Kōkā!
Kia ora no Tākaro Tribe. Have you had a good day today?
Absolutely!
Let's celebrate. Let's take a look at what you did today. First, you made your own mātārehe, leaflets. Then you delivered them to your friends so they could prepare for the storm. And you learnt the word of the day. Mā-tā-rere. Mātārehe. Magnificent job, Tākaro Tribe.
What a fun day, Tākaro Tribe. Time to say goodnight. Po Māori. Good night, Tākaro Tribe.
O roia tō mata, parai he hia o niho. Kuhuna o kakamoe po Māori e kuhu ki te moenga. Takoto iho ki raro e pai ai o moe moe.